guest today in our channel.
Hi, I'm Ramya.
Yeah, so don't be so formal also.
Yeah.
So she's my childhood friend, and growing up I didn't have much friends, and I'm very happy that we have grown up together. We are of the same age, but from school, she's my junior, and we went to the same dance class. And the best memory is from my first short film. She was my friend in that, but unfortunately that movie never released, but we have been tight friends from then. And the reason why I got her as a guest on our channel today is because she's a very good cook. She also has her own page on Instagram. Do check it out. It's called Rum's Kitchen. And yeah, today I thought I'll learn something from her because she makes such delicious healthy food.
So today we'll be making cabbage momo.
Wow, cabbage
It's
momo.
healthy and it's delicious. We are not adding any maida to it, and we are using only healthy products.
Okay, I'm already hungry.
Yeah, so
Okay.
let's begin.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Come, let's go.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Ivanga sonna madre. Why am I talking in Tamil? Cabbage, the whole cabbage. Are we going to put this like this? Like,
No,
for
no,
Mama,
no.
then how are we
We
going
have
to
to
do it?
like take out the leaves one by one and
Oh.
make it in this
Oh, like
shape.
this.
I mean, you have to just take out the leaf.
I'll show it to the camera like this. Okay. Okay.
And you have to wash it well.
How long have you been cooking, Ramya?
I think for almost 6 years now, because I've been cooking since when I was in
Childhood?
school. Yeah.
Okay.
I used to cook for my mom and brother and grandparents, and they used to like appreciate me for cooking. So I thought, why not I take it further? And then I
Okay,
thought
okay.
I'll start my own cooking page. Like
About-
little bit of salt.
I think a pinch of salt.
Yeah.
Around 100 grams of chicken. We just put it in the mixie. We just washed it nicely like for 3-4 times. Put it in the mixie and we just made a nice keema out of it. So she's chopping one onion. Next onion I'll chop. Okay. Even I know to do.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Let's see.
I think we also studied in the same school but different branch. Like I was in state syllabus, she was in CBSE. So our friends, like common friends, will be thinking, how does she know her?
We have to take it out.
And?
We'll put it in a separate plate.
Like it looks very soft. That the crunchy thing is no more. So this is our chicken keema and adding onions. Is the patram too small? It's okay, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Pam, we are all middle class people, so we all have kuti patram only.
We'll be adding some
Chopped coriander,
We'll be adding some chili flakes.
chili flakes. Like I think around one
1
teaspoon.
teaspoon.
Yeah.
And almost like half teaspoon of pepper powder.
Mm-hmm.
And half teaspoon of garam masala.
Half teaspoon of garam masala. Okay. So we're gonna give it a nice mix. And my brother from there, he's also taking the close-up shots. See what and all we have to do. Now we're adding some peri peri mix. Can you show that? Yeah, peri peri mix. I think a quarter teaspoon will be fine because we don't want to give more artificial taste. So this is just for taste. Only if you want. We wanted to make it more tasty. That's why we're using this. Okay. Then we're adding some. I think pepper again. Little more pepper because
We like it spicy.
yeah, we like it spicy. So yeah, this is how it looks now. I can already smell how spicy and how how tasty it is going to be.
spicy and
Yeah.
Salt is according to your preference and
Okay.
taste. You can add some. We'll be adding little, and we'll see if we want some more.
Okay. So then next we are going to stuff it into the cabbage, the boiled cabbage. So this is how
we'll
it
be
looks.
taking this cabbage
Yeah.
and the keema that we have prepared, the stuffing part. Yeah, since the cabbage is already boiled, it's pretty much easy to like see.
Okay, okay. Wow. I'm also gonna try now. We just changed the camera angles and all that. So I'm taking a bit of this. See, madam, if I'm doing properly. Okay, then this.
You want me to help?
No, it's okay. I got another jugaad for that. And then 4 sides folding, right?
Yes.
Folding. Oh, it's small.
It's okay. You can still manage.
Should I really fold? Like
You can.
Maybe it should be covered. Oh, okay, you can do the stuffing jugaad also, no problem. But it should be ultimately covered like this. Okay. Say mine 10 first one. How much points you'll give for this? No, but you also did little, no? You did help little.
So the second one I
Second one, yeah, judge. Okay, wait. I'll take a nice big leaf.
Spacious. So that
Spacious
it
one.
can sit free.
Yeah. Okay, so I put the stuff into this chicken. Wow. It's like growing baby.
Yeah.
Go baby, go to sleep. I remember Febby. How is this?
Yeah, it's really
How much
cute.
mark out of 10?
I'll give you a 9.
Oh wow, 9 points for this. I think you tried paneer, right? How was
Yeah,
the taste?
it was really good.
Wow.
There was no difference that it is paneer, it's veg, and it doesn't taste that good. It was absolutely yum.
Okay.
And in chicken, I believe, for those who like chicken,
Non-veg.
yeah,
Non-veg crazy people.
they can definitely try this. And
Okay.
even veg is really great.
Okay. It's typical some middle class people think. We don't waste things. Yeah. Chicken 1 kilo. How much you know?
Yeah.
Next we're gonna show you how to do the steam. We're gonna do the steam thing in
Cooker.
We can also do in
Steaming vessel.
or even idli patram.
Yeah, you can. So we are basically using idli patram.
No, we're using cooker only. Not idli patram. My mother gave cooker only and went no. Cooker is easy. Yeah. Oh, this is idli patram. Yeah, correct. It was a surprise inside. I was about to show you guys. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Abhi. Ba. So now what we're gonna do?
We'll be taking a cooker
Okay.
and we'll be adding some water to it
Why is this patram?
so that we can keep the idli patram. on
Oh,
top of
okay,
it.
okay. How much water? Is this much
Yeah,
enough?
enough.
Enough, no?
And you have to pour some
Water on
here
this
as
also.
well.
Oh, okay, fine.
If you have a stand in house, you can also
Use that, no? Yeah,
Since
okay, we don't have.
that. We'll be
Okay.
using this.
I think this is enough.
Yes.
Okay. And then we'll keep our idli patram. And
And
then
one by one we'll start.
oh, awesome.
Before
Before
we
that.
have to add some olive oil into this patram.
This patram?
Yeah, so that it doesn't stick.
Okay. One second.
We'll
Let
just
me get the.
grease. We are just going to steam it now.
Okay. Without the visual, I guess.
Yes, without
Okay.
addition. So approximately up to 8 to 10 minutes we are going to steam it.
So guys, we waited for almost like 8 minutes and then we switched off the stove and then now it's proper 10 minutes. So we are gonna open it. I don't know how it's gonna be. Let's fingers crossed.
So excited.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow.
Wow.
It smells so good actually. Wow.
So this is how it looks.
Yeah. So it's smoking hot. And next, what are we gonna do?
We are going to add some olive oil to this tawa.
Okay. Switch on the
We are
stove.
going to roast this.
Okay.
first I'll just grease it. with olive
Grease
oil.
it?
Yeah. And
Grease it again?
Wait until it gets hot. Wait until it
Okay,
gets
so you are shooting like this for the first time, right?
Yes.
How do you feel?
I'm really nervous, but since Sushma is my friend, I feel really comfortable shooting with her.
Okay. So you know me very well, I believe, and you have seen my journey so far.
Correct.
And I think we did a short film also together. Do you remember bits and pieces of our conversations then?
Exactly, I do remember. I really remember when Sushma came up to me and told that she has this dream of becoming an entrepreneur, starting up her own design. When she was like very little back then.
I was
I
really
guess.
this much, I guess.
Yeah.
More shocked
Yeah.
actually.
And we were discussing this, and she told me that she wants to start up this clothing brand and stuff. And when she told that, we just had a normal conversation. Yeah,
It's hot also. Okay.
We were just having a casual conversation, and I was like, okay, this girl has like pretty big dreams and stuff. And yeah, after that, as years just passed by, I've seen her grow. Like literally, she wanted that back then, and she executed it in a really good way. Like whatever she said, she has proved it, and she has been like an inspiration for me as well. I've been seeing
Yeah,
her grow.
actually, I remember you messaging me often, like, you know, what you're doing, what you're up to. We just keep updating each other.
Even though we don't meet every day, but whenever we meet, we're just the same.
Yeah.
Like where we lost the
Yeah,
touch, we're
actually,
just the
yeah.
same.
Yeah, and one more thing, even Ramya used to model before, now she is not. I don't know why, you should start it again, okay?
Yeah.
She used to model, and I think before 2 years, right, CCV came?
Correct.
She has done a very small role in CCV, but still working with Mani Ratnam sir is such a big thing. How did you feel on the shoot day? I think you even took a selfie with Vijay Sethupathi sir. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, Vijay Sethupathi sir was like really humble person, and he was ready to talk to everybody working with him.
Okay,
And he was like really sweet guy.
person.
Yeah, sweet
Okay.
person. So it was really comfortable working
How
with
was
him.
it like on the shoot day with the Mani Ratnam
Oh
sir?
my God,
Oh my God,
it's
somebody's dream. It's everybody's
Yeah, it's
dream.
unbelievable to be honest. It's so surreal that I've been to the set, seeing Mani Ratnam sir and all the big stars. Like Arvind Swamy, Vijay Sethupathi sir, and
I know.
yeah,
Really exciting.
yeah,
Arun
Arun
Vijay.
Vijay.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
It was really exciting for me to
Wow.
meet all of
She
them.
had one of the best experiences because I haven't seen myself in a big screen yet. That's something which is yet to happen, which I
Yeah,
don't
that'll
know.
happen soon.
Yeah.
For sure.
But you've already seen. When I was watching CCB, suddenly like, is that Ramya? You know this girl? Then I, after the movie, immediately texted her and then she told me, yeah, it's me. It was such a pleasant surprise, actually.
Yeah, right.
And even I've seen this girl growing, and we were just tiny friends, and we've grown up. And
Exactly.
I don't know, maybe I feel like auntie. I think you will be the same.
Yeah, we have grown together.
Okay, so I think it's almost ready.
Yeah.
First we kept it in medium flame, then we reduced it to low because we were just talking, we didn't want it to burn. I think it's done, no?
Yeah, it's done.
The leaf is getting into that roasted texture. I think that's when you figure out it's done. And we are doing the plating right now, and look, it looks so good. Say something. What is it?
It's
Cabbage
momo.
chicken momo.
Yeah, cabbage
Chicken momo. So I'm gonna taste it. This is what, momo chutney?
Yeah.
Momo chutney and mmm.
Okay.
I'm not even kidding. It's so juicy and it's so.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love it. Taste it, taste it.
Yeah.
This is how it looks. It's so juicy. No?
Mm. Yeah. It tastes so
Wow.
good and it's cooked so well. How much are you going to rate this?
10 on 10. No, 11 on 10.
Sure.
Everything is so perfect actually. It's crispy also and it's juicy inside. Wow. Good. Good job. I totally forgot to take the outro video, and we finally had all these things. It was so yummy and it was tasting like actual momo. What did you feel?
Yeah, I really
Loved it. Yeah, it had all the taste, all the perfect ingredient, and very simple and very easy to do. It's a little long procedure and all that, but other than that, it's fantastic.
It's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it. So do try, guys. Definitely do try cabbage, chicken momo, cabbage. Any momo is really good.
You can try out paneer, mushroom,
Yeah.
potato, anything.
Yeah, anything
of your choice.
anything of your choice. Same procedure. It's gonna taste yummy. I promise.
And it's healthy. Don't
It's
forget.
very healthy. Yes, again repeating it again and again. Okay, so I hope we have not bored you. We have told about us to you. Hope you all will enjoy this video. Before that,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow Ram's Kitchen.
yeah, don't forget to follow Ram's Kitchen. I'll put the link in the description. So don't forget to do whatever she's told. Pavam, no, she's come first time. We want her to come to this channel again. So this time you have cooked for me and us. Next time,
I'm cooking
yeah,
for
next time I'm gonna cook for you guys and for her. Okay, so see you guys. Bye.